Buying your first home near London. Let's be honest, it can feel impossible. Prices are sky high, bidding wars are brutal, and everything remotely nice seems just out of reach. But what if I told you there are still places just outside London where you can get on the property ladder without selling your soul? Today, we're revealing some of the best affordable areas near London for first-time buyers with good transport links, realistic prices, and communities worth joining. Let's break it down. When you're buying your first home, there are 3 things you're probably looking for: a commute under an hour, a price tag under £350,000, and a place with actual things nearby like shops, schools, and maybe even a future. So here are 7 places that tick those boxes and might just surprise you. First up, Luton in Bedfordshire. It's just 30 to 40 minutes to London St Pancras, and homes here start from around £160,000. It's got fast trains, an airport if you travel a lot, and major regeneration happening across the town. It's affordable, it's connected, and it's on the rise. Next, Basildon in Essex. Around 35 to 45 minutes into London Fenchurch Street, with prices between £280,000 and £320,000. It's a modern town with good infrastructure, retail parks, and solid commuter appeal. At number 3, we've got Harlow. Just 35 minutes to London Liverpool Street, and prices sitting around the £300,000 mark. There's plenty of green space, strong transport links, and active regeneration. It's not just a place to live, it's a place to grow into. Fourth on the list are Chatham and Gillingham in Kent, also known as the Medway Towns. With high-speed rail, you're in London in under an hour, and house prices here still as low as £240,000. There's a lot of investor interest, but first-time buyers can still get ahead of the curve. Coming in at number 5, Slough, Berkshire. Thanks to the Elizabeth Line, it's now just 20 to 30 minutes from central London, and with major investment pouring in, prices between £290,000 and £340,000 are looking like a smart move. Number 6, Welling and Bexleyheath in southeast London. Zone 5, 40 minutes into central London, and still just under £350,000. You're technically still in London, but you'll get more space, better value, and a family-friendly vibe. And finally, Croydon. Only 20 to 30 minutes from London Bridge or Victoria, Croydon is in the middle of a huge transformation. Yes, it's busy, but it's also vibrant with tons of housing options and new developments. And if you're willing to go just a little further for more space and a lower price, Peterborough, 50 minutes to King's Cross, with homes around £130,000. Milton Keynes, 35 minutes to Euston, averaging to £170,000. And Reading, just 25 minutes to Paddington, with prices around £330,000. Now, a few quick tips before. If you're buying solo or have a tight budget, shared ownership might be your best friend. Don't overlook help to buy resale properties or developer deals, especially in new builds. And always check those commuting costs. A cheap house plus a pricey season ticket can add up fast. So where should you be looking? Somewhere affordable, somewhere connected, and somewhere that still feels like home. Let us know in the comments which place stood out to you, or if there's a hidden gem we missed. And if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more home buying tips. Good luck and happy house hunting!